Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PS5 Wi-Fi issues. First, let's start with the basics. A simple restart of both your PlayStation 5 and your Wi-Fi router can often resolve minor connectivity glitches. Also, ensure your console is positioned within a good range of your router, ideally within 10 to 15 feet, and that there are no large objects blocking the signal path. These initial steps are quick and frequently effective. Next, let's dive into your PlayStation 5's network settings. Double-check that your Wi-Fi connection is properly configured. Sometimes, manually setting up the connection by entering your network's SSID and password can resolve issues. It's also crucial to ensure your PlayStation 5 system software is up to date. Outdated software can sometimes lead to unexpected connectivity problems, so always install the latest updates for optimal performance. For more persistent issues, consider adjusting your PlayStation 5's DNS settings. Switching to public DNS servers, such as Google DNS at 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, can often improve connection stability and speed. You might also try experimenting with your Wi-Fi frequency band, moving between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, as one might offer a more stable connection in your environment. Finally, test your internet speed directly on the console. Finally, let's look at your router settings. Log into your router's administration page to confirm there are no parental controls or MAC address filters inadvertently blocking your PlayStation 5. If Wi-Fi remains problematic, a wired Ethernet connection is always the most reliable option. As a last resort, if all other troubleshooting steps fail, you might consider resetting your PlayStation 5 to its factory settings, but remember this will erase all data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.